I'm going to be showing you the 7 tools we use to run our business. You'll learn 3 things. Number 1, the tools. Number 2, how we use them in our business. And number 3, I'm going to be showing you how you can do the very same thing in your business as well. Here are the 7 tools. Number 1, ConvertKit. This is our platform where we send all of our emails and we do a lot of the automation behind the scenes with our business. Number 2, Podia. This is where we have our courses, our membership, our digital downloads, our webinars. All those things are on one platform. Number 3, SendFox. We use this platform because it allows us to send out our weekly emails to our subscribers, to our members, and it's super easy to use. Number 4, Notion. We use this for our internal use, databases, but also some of our products we've used, such as Docs, and our SOPs, our standard operating procedures. We have all of that in Notion. Next, we have Paperform. This allows us to be able to offer different MVFs and MVPs. MVF, minimal viable funnels. So if we're testing different products and we don't want to spin up a full thing in ConvertKit or create a new product in Podia, we can create things very, very quickly. And also the robust automation where we can hook it into ConvertKit or SendFox later on, and even Notion, that allows us to create very quickly different products or see what the market wants, and then we streamline it later on. Next up, ThirdWeb. We have seen a really big pivot that people want to know about Web3 and how to drop NFTs and doing that without coding. ThirdWeb has been amazing to streamline our process. Instead of doing things with open source, which has its advantage because it's free, this streamlines the process. We don't have to worry about it. And by the way, the team is always working on something new. So that's what we've been using. And last but not least, MarketPlan.io. This has been helpful because this allows us to streamline or have a bird's eye view of what we're going to be doing with our marketing campaign, but also it doubles as if we want to do blueprint planning for our clients or something like that, we just sell the blueprints. We do the session and then they get access to it. Or if their budget doesn't allow us to do a full workshop or build it out, they send us our details and then we build out the blueprint and async. So they just tell us what they want. I'll make a quick video, sell that to them. And now we're selling those blueprints starting at about $297. And then if we're doing the workshop, we can scale and charge even more. But the baseline is $297. And that's all done pretty much passively. They send us an email. We have them fill out the form. And then we sell them the blueprint based on what they're looking for. We're going to go a little bit deeper about showing you how we're using ConvertKit right now and seeing if it's a good option for you or if you need a CRM. So ConvertKit, we use it for right now building out our landing pages, and our landing pages allow us to have a very clear message and be able to have people opt in for our new videos from YouTube. So it says get the episode straight to your inbox. And then we go from there. The copy, we used it because we used to have a Notion page, and then to streamline everything, we just made it in ConvertKit and we go from there. The other thing I really like about ConvertKit, and this is pretty new, it's happened in the last year or so, or maybe about 2 years. Now you can sell products or subscriptions directly from ConvertKit. So once you connect it, if you have a Stripe account, now you can also offer different subscriptions or digital products. Right here, this is our newest product. This is going to be a subscription per month. This is going to be Docs Reports. And this allows me to deliver a very specific type of curated content. Instead of having so many choices, it's a clear theme. You're getting a clear video and what steps you need to take to start making money with your brand or your business. So that is brand new. It's going to be launching very soon, depending on when you're watching this, but it will be out March 2022, but that is Docs Reports. Next, we're going to be talking about SendFox. This is in the AppSumo family, and there is going to be a link down below. What I like about SendFox, when we use this for our clients or ones that completely hate emails, they just want something so simple. That is what SendFox allows you to do. With SendFox, you can do a lot of things. Number one, you can create smart pages. But what I like about it is once you create your emails, it already has something called a smart campaign. So if you do a smart campaign, it already starts compiling what's in your feed to send it out to your subscribers. We use this specifically to segment some of our audience, our entire audience, and subscribers are in ConvertKit, but ones that want the weekly newsletter, we segment them, and then they're going to be just sent an email via SendFox. So we have a very streamlined approach. It's already bringing in all of our latest videos, and then all we have to do is schedule and press send. We suggest it a lot of times with ones that are overwhelmed with ConvertKit or Mailgun, ActiveCampaign. There's just too much. SendFox streamlines everything. Along with that, I really like the options for the smart pages as well, and you can take advantage of that. And it's similar to I would say similar to Substack, and so that's why we use it. Just an example of SendFox. This is one of the pages that I have right here, sendfox.com/doc, and you can get your best tech stacks delivered to your inbox. We have this, but then it says, let me read first. This now allows me to have all of my feed that people can just watch. So this is pulling in my feed from Twitter, from YouTube, all of these things. And they can also see the newsletter, videos only, or articles all right here. Again, this allows you to have pretty much your brand on autopilot as you're doing it. And it's all included with SendFox. And the price is insane. You can get this on AppSumo for a lifetime deal. Next up, we have Notion. Notion we use for all types of things, but I would just like to point out we use it for our SOPs and everything we're doing to run our business. And also, too, we have our templates for creating SOPs for our team to be able to talk to contractors, all of these things, but to have a concise place for all of our standard operating procedures to make it as streamlined as possible. And once we look at SOPs and see what we're doing either manually or other systems, a lot of times we just take the SOPs and see if we can automate it using other things like Connexit, Zapier, Integromat. The list goes on and on. Even if we're on vacation or something like that, all of this can be found in our SOPs. And that's just one example. Another thing that I like about Notion is we have some of our products here. For example, we have our Docs. So it's all of my notes where I'm just taking notes on building different things, and people can purchase it. They're just getting access to the latest version of Docs. And it's pretty minimal how much I update, but now instead of me, it keeps me more organized, and now it's of value where I can just also add this to different ones, and they can take a look at this. Of course, we have to talk about Paperform. We've been a fan of them for years, since they've been on AppSumo years ago, and it's just so easy to create different services, to create forms. And there are other ways I was thinking about that you could even create your own marketplace using Paperform. You can track your inventory. You can have different vendors. There are definitely ways to create just about anything on Paperform. And I like how concise and beautiful it looks. That's my top option. Next, we're going to be going over ThirdWeb. For an example, you can create NFT drops using a card website. We created a project called Atomic Bomb Bunnies. And now right here, this is the widget where you can be able to mint your own NFT, and it also shows you your inventory of all of the different NFTs that you've bought in the past as well. Just within a few clicks, you can be doing this with ThirdWeb. So it's very powerful, and as DAOs become more powerful, NFTs become more popular, rather, this is going to be a game changer for ones that want to get involved and ones that aren't proficient in coding and want to release a project. Next up, we're going to be looking at MarketPlan. This is a platform where you can be building out your own marketing strategy, and you can not only monitor it if you want to, but just building out the plan and monetizing that, where you're giving the plan and then you're charging for that type of funnel build. It's a game changer. You do it all with just a few clicks, so you're not going to be coding at all, and you can export it as a PDF or I believe a JPEG, so you can just send it to a client. It allows you to have an introduction to other client work, or again, you can start selling your overall funnels and now productize it. Put it on Product Hunt, sell it from your own site. We would sell it from Podia and go from there. Now, I mentioned about creating this for yourself. We actually have a course. There's going to be a link or something down below. It's the 6 ways to save time and make more money. It's a course breaking down all the systems that I just mentioned. Now, we have 7 different main platforms we use from our tech stack. But in the course, we actually teach you the stacking principle and how you find and identify which of the 6 facets you need in your business and what kind of tech you need. All that's free. There's a link down below to get this course, and this allows you to make your own tech stack, create the automation for your business. In the comment section down below, let me know what you're trying to build and what kind of tech stack you need to create your business. If you like these kind of videos, make sure that you like and subscribe. I do this every single week. I'll see you in the next video.